Shooter ready? Stand by.
One of those features.
Dave, man. You did all right.
I've never seen you around.
Stand by.
Well, yes, I only see the.
Oh, Dave, good run.
I've never seen you around.
Stand by.
Well, yes, I only see the.
Oh, Dave, good run. 524. Don't use that one.
Yeah.
Ready?
You have all the tools. Oh, you got to have this thing. You really do.
Stand by.
All right, Rain.
Stand by.
Ah.
Click. All right. I wouldn't. 926. I wouldn't necessarily throw that one away, Dave.
No.
Ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Oh, come on. Stop it.
You're gonna call that 30?
Yep.
Stand by. Perfect. See, you ain't out of the shit. But don't shoot that big square plate again.
Nope.
Stand by. Excellent.
Is this camera on?
Yeah, his camera's on. Stand by. Excellent, Dave. 613. So that was a 313. That would be the fastest run on this stage. You just took. Now, there you go. Ready? Stand by. All right, Dave. 533. Not bad. Ready? Excellent, dude, and your draw at 480 was perfect. Your draw was perfect, dude. Perfect. Ready? Stand by. All right, good repairs. Ready? Stand by. Don't quit. Ah! Quit! Oh, dang! 1192.
Holy cow!
What are you trying to do?
Whatever it wasn't working.
Man. Stand by.
See.
You're taking 30 on that?
Yeah.
Stand by. Yeah, baby! 585. That was a great run.
Oop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep,
Okay,
that was
the
it.
last one. This one, no.
You got one more.
You got one
Yep.
more.
Okay.
You got to offload that 30. Again, step back. I want you to do good here. I want to get it.
Doing good here.
All right.
Yeah, there's
You got this. Stand by.
Yeah, they run them together. Show up without a rifle.
Baby, yeah! 438. You got
Yeah,
just so you know, you have to shoot perfect, Dave. There can be no mistakes whatsoever.
Oh, no problem.
Everything must be perfect.
no pressure. Yeah.
Ready?
gotta wear it.
Stand by.
Can I approach the audience for
There it is. 5.
The model who's 5'11", weighs 100.
Yeah. Had to say something.